Holy 10 apologizes to Mnangagwa twins after threatening them and ZANU PF in wild night. What happened? 09 September 2025. Haniani News Online. Rapper Holy 10. Real name Mnangagwa Chitsama. Shocked Zimbabweans on the 7th of September with a furious late-night Instagram rant aimed at President Emmerson Mnangagwa's twin sons, Sean and Collins. In less than 2 hours, the pressure hitmaker went from threatening the ruling elite to apologizing, leaving fans stunned. It began at 9:08 p.m. with a cryptic post. Sean Collins, should have never given me your gifts if you knew you could take them back. Speculation immediately swirled that he was referring to property linked to the Mnangagwa family. By 9:24 p.m. he escalated. It's not fear, it's respect. ZANU PF don't try me. Minutes later at 9:30 p.m., he ordered his wife Kimberly Richards to pack. Pack all our things. We're giving them back their house. ZVAITWA vanhuin and I know. He added, I've been working so hard to clean up ED's name and you people think you can just touch me. I want my respect. The meltdown peaked at 10:25 p.m. and a live stream viewed nearly 20,000 times. Sean, what you did at my house. I'm coming to your house. Make sure you kill me. I'm not afraid of ZANU PF. I can end ZANU PF today. Turning on Collins, he mocked. Collins thinks he is loved. Let him start a live right now and see who joins. I know where he stays. For a rapper who campaigned for ZANU PF in 2023 and received gifts from its leadership, the tirade marked a shocking reversal. Then silence. Holy 10 deactivated his Instagram, only to return at 10:53 p.m. with a complete U-turn. Apologies to my brothers Sean and Collins. The Mnangagwa family has so far remained quiet. But for fans, the dramatic sequence, threats, defiance, and a humbling apology will go down as one of Zimbabwe's most explosive celebrity meltdowns.